is Miloni. I am from India and I'm doing a bridge pathway in psychology. I traveled all alone, so I was nervous when I boarded my plane. When I arrived at the airport, I was super excited because everything was so new here. Initially, I was in a culture shock, to be honest. The thing that surprised me most about the US is how people take care of time. Everybody takes care of each other's time, their own time. Everybody has a fixed schedule. That really surprised me and that made me feel great about this place. That is a good thing to learn. Well, my first day when I woke up, I had to decide the clothes that I had to wear because I wasn't sure how it goes in USA, if everybody dresses formal for the first day. I asked one of the seniors and she said that everything is very casual here. So I dressed accordingly and then I had to find my way to the class. So during that time, like the signboards really helped. And it wasn't so difficult to find the room for the orientation, and there were so many orientation leaders who were there to comfort us. They gave us some goodies and it wasn't so difficult to find my room and it was great. So the first few months were always learning. Every day I learned something new, and then I used to call my parents and my friends that, see, today I learned this and this is so cool here, this is different here. So the first few months were all exciting and learning experiences. It's already been a few months and I'm good. I like the place. I already feel at home.